Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. One-way screws, are they any good? Well, I haven't had to remove any plates with them on, so I thought I'd do this video and see how we go. So I've just got myself a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to try that one first of all. Okay, there we go. She's coming off with a flat blade screwdriver. So these screws are designed so that you can install them with a flat blade screwdriver and not to grip when you're taking them off with a flat blade screwdriver. But they're coming off. So I think that answers our question, doesn't it? And I'll just take this screw off to show you. Do it with my fingers from there. Okay, removed. Alright, let's try this one. 2 for 2, eh? And this one's moving too. Now I'm not using any special screwdriver. In fact, this is a screwdriver I've had sitting around. It's got silicone on it. Look how old it is. It's been attacked. Slow going, but it is moving. And of course, I did have a backup plan. Wanted to see how bullnose pliers will go. Bullnose pliers work just fine. In fact, they work even quicker. So yeah, one-way screws. Look, you can get many screws with hexagons and hexagons with little dimples in the middle. All sorts of screws to protect your number plates. Me personally, I like to use a variety of different screws. That makes it even super harder. It means the burglars have to have different tools to go with them. I also like pot rivets and things like that. And there's one more security feature I won't list, but you can do a number of things. If all else fails, $5 tube of silicone works wonders. If you silicone your number plates on, you'll be there trying to prise them off, because silicone glue, or silicone, just plain old waterproof silicone, if you were to silicone this on, a nice thing around there, it'll make it super hard to get off. Super hard. But that's our video for today. Yeah, so recommendations. Pot rivets, different types of screws, Phillips, flat, one-way, hexagon, all that sort of stuff you can use. But I would go for silicone as well. Putting silicone, big smear of it around here, and on all through here, squeezing it on and putting my screws on top makes it super hard. That's what I recommend. Thanks for watching.